manifesting weight loss by asking Spirit to help us. This is an update. I'm on day 2. I will share what I've done and what has happened. I made one video already, I'll link it down below, but now the results are coming in. So I took notes of everything that has happened the last few days. So let's dive right in, right? Cut to the chase, Terry. Yes. So the idea is to, instead of trying to lose weight ourselves, wanting to fix the outcome ourselves, we let go. That was the pop-in I got from my guide inside, a clear idea that came without me thinking about the topic beforehand. That's when I trusted that it's Spirit, because out of the blue, I got the idea of let go. It's the same as living your life, surrender, let go, co-create with the universe. So I've tried it. The first thing I did is that when I was driving home after making that first video, I think even I raised my hand. So this video is going to be a little nerdy, but if you're interested in losing weight, I think it might be worth your while, but we'll go into details, right? So I was driving home at night, and I think I even raised my hand and I said out loud in the car, hey guide inside, hey guys, Spirit, whatever you want to call it, I hereby ask you for help to lose weight. I hereby give you permission to take control over this matter in my life. I will try to let go of control and trust that you can do it for me or with me. You know, this is not a script. I just gave them really clear permission to take control of this, right? And asking for help. But mostly giving them a thumbs up and a green light to do it. So, only like a 20 seconds speech, but do it out loud when you're alone and really speak from your heart. That's the first thing I did. That was maybe 10 o'clock at night or something, 3 a.m. I wake up and how do I delicately put this? Well, we're all grown-ups, we can talk, right? But I got up and I felt that I needed to go to the bathroom. And number 2, which is out of character for me. It's always in the morning, 7 or 8. Why am I telling you this? Gross detail. Because that was out of character for me, and this is really gross, but okay, so I felt like the body was emptied, let's put it that way, okay? So it's really weird. It never happened before. Never happened before. Sorry about that, but I think I find it interesting. I'll move on now. Thank you. And then I woke up and everything, and the first thing I noticed is that I have no lust for food or no cravings. This is in the morning, so not that untypical. And I drove for a little bit, and then this happened. I find myself here going for a walk, and I find myself wanting a smoothie. Yeah. I never want a smoothie. Now I want a smoothie. Let's go and get a smoothie. Yeah. I got the urge to drink a smoothie. Never happened. I like them, they taste good, but that's what I wanted. Really wanted at that moment. Let me check my notes. So, that was day 1. what I suspect is happening is part of me still thinks this is crazy, but a much bigger part of me believes it. When you let go of control, it feels like spirit takes over your cravings and your lust or urges. So I had no cravings and only wanting to drink smoothies. Now we're getting into the second night, and for me, evening time has been the big challenge. I feel this hunger for pizza and crisps and chocolate. Gone. Totally gone. Now I'm gonna be a little devil's advocate. I think that's wise, because we often get lost in confirmation bias. We kind of only focus on the things we want to see, the results we want to see. So I'm going to go the other way. And I'm going to go, okay, Terry, are you insane? Of course the craving is gone. Of course you're imagining you want a smoothie. This is day 2. You're full of adrenaline because you're making YouTube videos about this and people watch it. Of course it's different for you now. Call me in 3-4 weeks and we'll see and we'll talk then. To that argument, I would say yes, you are right. That it might be very different in 2 or 3 weeks. Now I'm all excited about this thing. However, me wanting that smoothie, that was weird. And it was so strong. I really, really want a smoothie, So here's another tip for you. I say thank you to spirit. Like I can go last night without feeling hunger or having cravings, and today I felt really well. So I say thank you for helping me with this. That's one. And if I were you, I would do a morning intention, because what I suspect might happen is that as the devil's advocate said, when time goes by and this is kind of the new normal, the patterns I have about overeating and eating junk food, they might not be totally gone. And if I don't focus on this, letting go and getting help, it might creep back. And I think if you slowly creep back, and maybe you get the urges and the cravings, and you decide, oh, it's Sunday, everybody's having a good time, it's raining, I deserve a family-sized pizza by myself. You will get the cravings, because then you use your free will to have the pizza. And that trumps spirit, I think. Spirit would never interfere with if you have a clear, no, I want that pizza. Then they will go, okay, your call. So to avoid that, I recommend for myself and for you a morning intention. Just a few seconds where you speak out loud. My intention today is to get help with my diet and my cravings and what to eat. And I really, really appreciate this, the guide inside or whatever you want to call it. The reason why, to keep it fresh. Because if you kind of forget about this, the urges and the cravings might come sneaking back. Thank you. Anytime you feel like, this is going really well, just send the thank you and I do an intention in the morning. That would be my advice to myself and maybe to you too. What do you think? This is my take so far. So far, a big success. So far, we might be on to something huge here. And I'm saying might because it's early days, but still, it kind of makes sense, doesn't it? To instead of trying to fix this ourselves, we just... And it's like it's never the cravings is like they were never there. It's like I cannot even trying to feel like having a pizza now. No, I don't want a pizza. If there was a pizza on the table, it isn't, but I'm suspecting that I wouldn't be tempted at all. It's like it's not a topic anymore. For the first 2 days, let me add that again. So, what's your experience? Updates are coming. And tomorrow on the channel, a Q&A with Jonas the Healer, the guy behind the Healer video that has now 140,000 views. And people are going in the comments basically saying, I'm healed. Yeah, it's really unbelievable. In my remember, my spiritual journey is only 5 years old, so for me many of these things are still very fresh. So that's tomorrow, 10 o'clock p.m. Central European time. An update will come soon on the losing weight thing. Okay, see ya.